Hello? Have you ever noticed how many problems exist in the world? From significant issues like poverty and disease to everyday inconveniences like losing your keys, challenges are all around us. Fortunately, experts at Stanford University have developed a method that can expand your perspective and help you develop better solutions for any type of problem. This method is known as design thinking, and it's set to revolutionize the way you approach challenges. Design thinking encourages exploring new possibilities and creating options that didn't exist before. Its success lies in focusing on the user's needs, which involves understanding the context and culture of everyone involved. This deep understanding is achieved through direct observation and gathering qualitative data, leading to stories that foster genuine empathy. After conducting thorough research, it's easier to accurately define the real problem at hand. With a clear problem definition, the next step is to generate new ideas without being limited by existing solutions. This brainstorming phase welcomes radical ideas that can lead to innovative outcomes. Since learning by doing is a core principle of design thinking, these innovative ideas are transformed into simple prototypes to test potential solutions. Rapid prototyping accelerates the innovation process because real-world testing is the only way to truly evaluate the quality of ideas. By repeatedly cycling through ideation, prototyping, and testing early on, mistakes become quick and inexpensive learning opportunities that pave the way to success. So why adopt design thinking? This process provides a structured method and a common language that facilitates collaboration across different disciplines. It leads to greater creativity and more effective solutions in a shorter amount of time. With design thinking, complex problems become manageable and solvable.